I really should have done an unboxing and review on this character, shouldn't I? It's a really great release, and it is very much different to its mini racer release. And yesterday, we were taking a look at the first new Ramone for 2021. I'm not sure if there is going to be any more. We do not currently know that yet. But we'll be taking a look at Saludos Amigos Ramone, which was first released in 2021 singles case F. Of course, I got this from Get Me Collectibles, of course, and there is 2 in the case, so why not, review both. But I don't know why here we got the hydraulic artwork. Maybe that is the hint we're getting a hydraulic version of this coming soon. I mean, you do get 2 in the case, 2, so people can just buy another one because they'll be peg warming a few times, and easy custom to make a hydraulic. Anyways, we can see here's Saludos Amigos Ramone Saludos Amigos, which is literally just reversed. 3+ Mattel, love the artwork. New for 2021, Cars logo, metal. Of course, we've got the other cars on the back, like new Thailand variants, Jimmy, Brian, Murray, and Kurt. And then we got some other re-releases and new releases too. So yeah, without cutting up this video, because I don't really need to do that today, I'm just going to lower the camera a little bit now and show you Saludos Amigos Ramone. Now, we'll actually add a picture today of where he was seen in the movie, because it is pretty obvious. He was seen right at the end of the movie, supporting Cruz Ramirez. Now, Ramone must have been the first one to know that Cruz and her paint job, because he was 51, literally 51. Anyways, we can see his diecast here now. And of course, I love his metallic paint, because if you take a closer look at this Ramone here, this Florida Ramone, this metallic one, it looks like he's got metallic blue paint, which looks amazing on a diecast. But we can see the Mexican and American flag, because Ramone is American, and Saludos Amigos is like this American cartoon short, which is pretty cool. Of course, green, and then you can see red there, you can see his expression. Got this plastic eyepiece for the eyes, which are unfortunate. On the hood, it does say 51, supporting for Cruz Ramirez. On the side, you can see the signature, or sponsor. It says Oil Pan Americano, or I think that's what it's pronounced. We can see the little Radiator Springs Ramone logo in the back hood there, on the side. And this is what I like, because the reason why I bought the Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen out is because if you check the sponsors, we got all the sponsors for, of course, Lightning McQueen and Radiator Springs Piston Cup, Dynaco, Louise. I mean, these are very blurry. Let's take a look at the Lightning McQueen. They're still blurry too, because they are small. But you can see, they do look pretty cool. You got 51 on the side here, and of course you got this Mexican flag as well. Ramone's House of Body Arts, pretty cool. Oil Pan Americana. Rally Mexico. You can see where Mexico is located on the map, right there. On the back, you can see Saludos Amigos, Lot on Slaw. Why is there an Italian flag there? There's a Mexican flag, there's an Italian one. Is this an error? I guess no, because should it be on the mini? Yeah, look guys, Mattel messed up. It should be an American flag, a Mexican flag on the back, not a Italian flag. Anyways, we're just going to gloss over that. Just pretend that's a Mexican one. And you can see here, Oil Pan Americana, and then where Mexico is located on the earth. And we see Rally Mexico. Here's the base for you guys that are interested. PO1A is the date stamp. Chevrolet is what Ramone is. Got some other Ramones. Got the fan favourites. We've got Florida. Metallic Florida. Yeah, that does end today's video. If you guys are new, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. My next video will be on probably M-Fast Fong. I'm taking a break from the Piston Cup Revolution series. It's not over. Trust me, I want to finish this series. At least for the Dynaco 400 races. If you guys are new, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification down below. Until the next one, peace guys.